Mark, what is next?
I got to pick up my kids.
Okay,
from
very
daycare.
good.
So that's what's next. So but to really answer your question, we're hopefully about to start an additional initiative. This initiative that we're about to launch is working with anchor institutions, hospitals, universities, potentially state governments or local governments. So these institutions that purchase lots of things, goods, serve, manufactured things, agricultural products, etc. And working with them to use that procurement power to drive the kinds of systemic change that we're talking about, right? So creating shared economic prosperity. This past year has illuminated some of the problems with not just the U.S. economy, with the global economy, and how it benefits and harms different people based on lots of different things, whether it's historical, geographic, racial, etc. And so what we think now is that there is momentum for some of these anchor institutions to think beyond just their number one goal. So to give you an example, like a university. So a typical university is interested in teaching students, doing some research, and having some kind of maybe community engagement. But procurement is lower down on that list. But all of the millions, tens of millions, for some universities, hundreds of millions of dollars that are spent annually, that's actually an opportunity for that institution to have an impact on communities that have been disproportionately impacted by COVID-19, to have an impact on minority-owned businesses, to have an impact on businesses that are in rural places that may not be well connected. And so this initiative, as I mentioned, that we're hopefully will be launching soon, is to work with anchor institutions that have that desire, that interest in having this broader economic impact, and helping them transition some portion, right, of their procurement to have this direct impact on people and places to create more, I said, this goal that we have of creating shared economic prosperity, and additionally creating a network of people and other institutions across the US who have similar goals and share information, et cetera. So that's what we've been working on for the past, actually really the past year, but hopefully we'll launch it officially fairly soon.